There is a saying that expectation kills. How much return can we expect from a mutual fund? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will elaborate on this now.
How much return is to be expected from a mutual fund? So theoretically, what happens is, so if we give you an example, say for example, if it's a Maruti company which makes car, and if it has to increase the sales, it can increase the sales by two ways. One, increasing the price, which is the inflation. Second is by increasing the more number of cars, which is the volume growth. So similarly, when you look at the GDP, inflation and the GDP numbers, if you sum total these two numbers, so over decades, this number comes between around say 12 to 14% kind of a range. So typically what you can expect from an equity oriented fund is about say 12 to 14% kind of a range. From a debt oriented product, probably whatever the fixed deposit is offering, plus minus 50 basis points to about 100 basis points, depending upon the product you are choosing, you can expect that kind of a return from a mutual fund.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.